How to port forward in AT&T. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in att.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of AT&T. Now at the top left, you will see the search box. Over there, type in how to port forward in AT&T and then search for it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now scroll down, head towards this option of port forwarding, click on it. You are viewing instructions for, click on this drop down. Now select the modem or gateway for which you want to port forward. Once it's selected, now scroll down. Now over here you will find full instructions how can you port forward in AT&T. Just go through all these instructions provided, and with that you will be able to port forward in AT&T. So that's all for this video. This is how you can port forward in AT&T. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.